Just received the cutest Wednesday makeup and I have to show you. Also, if you're not watching Wednesday, that's weird. Starting us off, the Cello liquid liner. The fact that the bottle is in the cello shape is absolutely chef's kiss. So fun, but what really impressed me was this Enid blush palette. The stained glass window, okay, and then you open it and you almost get the full effect of Wednesday's side as well. And look how fun the colors are, very Enid. And how could you not love the fact that Thing is holding this lip oil? I love their lip oils and I was hoping it'd be the big applicator, and it is. These are also color adjusting lip oils. This one is called Thorn Pricked, and then they also had this one called Moon Shifted. Would it even be Wednesday if they didn't have a black lip oil?